with Ryan, let's check in with you. Catherine sent us this great video. Take a look. She says her dog Kira loves the snow, clearly. Thanks for sending this in, Catherine. And remember, you can always share your photos and videos with us using the Near Me section of the News Center Maine app.
Second night in a row with a video like that.
Yes, couple puppies. I'm sure a lot of dogs were enjoying it, as well as kids and families.
Yes, and I have a feeling we'll be getting more videos like that on Thursday, and then on Sunday, as we have more snow on the way.
Keep on sending them.
That's the way it's going to be around here. Take a look outside tonight. Right now it is clear and it's cold, and the weather map across the Northeast is fairly quiet. Our next storm system is actually all the way out on the West Coast, so it's not even close to us right now, but it'll zip across the country and arrive here on Thursday. Story tonight, though, is the cold and the wind. Wind chills right now in the single digits in southern Maine and below zero across the interior. By first thing tomorrow morning, this is 6 a.m., wind chills in the mountains will be colder than 20 below zero, while the rest of us will be near or below zero as well. During the day tomorrow, wind chills in central and southern Maine should rise above zero, but they'll stay below zero in the mountains and far north. So if you're doing any skiing or snowmobiling tomorrow, it's going to be quite cold up that direction. Weather-wise, though, lots of sunshine through the day tomorrow. Temperatures in southern Maine will get close to 20 degrees, teens in a lot of central and eastern Maine, and highs in the single digits across the far north. We'll stay quiet tomorrow night, but it is also going to be a cold night tomorrow night. So Thursday morning, cold air will be in place ahead of our next system, but note the timestamp here, 6 a.m. We're dry, and there may actually be some sun very early on Thursday morning. The issue with this next system, it's not a big storm, but the timing is problematic. It'll begin over southern and western Maine late morning toward about noon, probably starting in Portland around noon, a lot of central Maine between noon and 2 p.m., and then over eastern and northern Maine after 2 o'clock. And that means for decision makers, for schools, early releases, things like that will have to be considered. So this is the map Thursday at noontime. You can see snow overspreading the southwestern part of the state, but we're still dry just about everywhere else. And this snow will accumulate from the beginning, given the ground will be cold after a cold morning Thursday morning. 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday, this is probably the height of things. We may have some moderate to briefly heavy snowfall, but this will pretty quickly wrap up. By 6 o'clock, it's ending over parts of York County and over southern New Hampshire, and by 8 o'clock, it's ending on the mid-coast, and then by 10, the accumulation is pretty much done. So it's a very quick moving system, but it will have an impact on the Thursday evening commute. In general, I think this is a 3 to 6 inch snowfall. We might be able to remove this 6 to 8 area tomorrow. I think any locations that get over 6 are likely to be in this zone, but I'm just skeptical there will be very many of them. And then less snow expected over far northern Maine. There's just less moisture that will be there. Friday and Saturday are both going to be dry days. Our next storm comes in Saturday night into Sunday morning, and it looks like it may even continue into part of the afternoon. This one looks bigger and could drop several more inches of snow during the second half of the weekend. Tomorrow, seas will be running 3 to 5 feet with a gusty northwest wind on the water. Bright and cold tomorrow. Snow moves in on Thursday during the midday and afternoon. The evening commute's impacted, but it's quick moving. It's done well before midnight Thursday night. Friday and Saturday are going to be dry days, and then another storm Saturday night into Sunday. Sam, that storm looks like it'll be longer in duration and probably a bit stronger. So we could get some double-digit totals out of that second storm on Sunday.
Something to look out for.
Yep.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.